Pearl Harbor attack. Pearl Harbor is a U.S. naval base near Honolulu, Hawaii, that was the scene of a devastating surprise attack by Japanese forces on December 7, 1941. Just before 8 a.m. on that Sunday morning, hundreds of Japanese fighter planes descended on the base, where they managed to destroy or damage nearly 20 American naval vessels, including 8 battleships and over 300 airplanes. More than 2,400 Americans died in the attack, including civilians, and another 1,000 people were wounded. The day after the assault, President Franklin D. Roosevelt asked Congress to declare war on Japan. The attack on Pearl Harbor was a surprise, but Japan and the United States had been edging towards war for decades. The United States was particularly unhappy with Japan's increasingly belligerent attitude toward China. The Japanese government believed that the only way to solve its economic and demographic problems was to expand into its neighbor's territory and take over its important market. To this end, Japan declared war on China in 1937, resulting in the Nanking Massacre and other atrocities. American officials responded to this aggression with a battery of economic sanctions and trade embargoes. They reasoned that without access to money and goods, and especially essential supplies like oil, Japan would have to rein in its expansionism. Instead, the sanctions made the Japanese more determined to stand their ground. During months of negotiations between Tokyo and Washington, D.C., neither side would budge. It seemed that war was all but inevitable. Franklin D. Roosevelt addressed a joint session of the U.S. Congress on December 8th, the day after the crushing attack on Pearl Harbor. After the Pearl Harbor attack, and for the first time during years of discussion and debate, the American people were united in their determination to go to war. The Japanese had wanted to goad the United States into an agreement to lift the economic sanctions against them. Instead, they had pushed their adversaries into a global conflict that ultimately resulted in Japan's first occupation by a foreign power. On December 8th, Congress approved Roosevelt's declaration of war on Japan. 3 days later, Japan's allies, Germany and Italy, declared war against the United States. For the second time, Congress reciprocated, declaring war on the European powers. More than 2 years after the start of World War II, the United States had entered the conflict. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Franklin D. Roosevelt was in his second term as governor of New York when he was elected as the nation's 32nd president in 1932. With the country mired in the depths of the Great Depression, Roosevelt immediately acted to restore public confidence, proclaiming a bank holiday and speaking directly to the public in a series of radio broadcasts or fireside chats. His ambitious slate of New Deal programs and reforms redefined the role of the federal government in the lives of Americans. Re-elected by comfortable margins in 1936, 1940, and 1944, FDR led the United States from isolationism to victory over Nazi Germany and its allies in World War II. He spearheaded the successful wartime alliance between Britain, the Soviet Union, and the United States, and helped lay the groundwork for the post-war peace organization that would become the United Nations. The only American president in history to be elected 4 times, Roosevelt died in office in April 1945. The 77th United States Congress. The 77th United States Congress was a meeting of the legislative branch of the United States federal government, composed of the United States Senate and the United States House of Representatives. It met in Washington, D.C. from January 3, 1941 to January 3, 1943, during the 9th and 10th years of Franklin D. Roosevelt's presidency. Both chambers maintained a Democratic majority, with the Senate being a supermajority. with the re-election of President Franklin D. Roosevelt to a then record third term, the Democrats maintained an overall federal government trifecta. On December 8, 1941, the day after Japan bombed the U.S. naval base at Pearl Harbor, Roosevelt appeared before a joint session of Congress which declared war on Japan.